Year 4. It's Monday the 14th of December, and this is the first of the daily videos I'll make to help you with your home learning. For the week, I've given you a timetable to help you plan when you'll work, and I've given you a set of activities all written down easily for you to follow. You're going to start your Monday with a PE activity. It's an energetic game that you can play with your family, and it's described down here on the bottom right of your form. After that, you're going to do some maths two-step problems using the skills that you've learnt this term. Now, there are two versions. The top one has slightly easier numbers in it, and the second one has the trickier figures. But they're the same sort of question, so just choose the one you want to do and try to do 3 of the individual questions each day. After you've had your maths, you deserve a break. And then after that break, I want you to look at the power of reading, take 5 activities. Each day, you're going to do one of these. So we'll start today with Explore It. I'm going to read you a little piece of text now, and then there will be some questions listed below to help you really think about the text we've just read. And you make sure you read it again yourself. Okay? So, our story begins on the ocean with wind and rain and thunder and lightning and waves. A hurricane roared and raged through the night, and in the middle of the chaos, a cargo ship was sinking down, down, down to the ocean floor. The ship left hundreds of crates floating on the surface. But as the hurricane thrashed and swirled and knocked them around, the crates also began sinking into the depths. One after another, they were swallowed up by the waves until only 5 crates remained. By the morning, the hurricane was gone. There were no clouds, no ships, no land in sight. There was only calm water and clear skies, and those 5 crates lazily bobbing along an ocean current. Days passed, and then a smudge of green appeared on the horizon. As the crates drifted closer, the soft green shapes slowly sharpened into the hard edges of a wild, rocky island. The first crate rode to shore on a tumbling, rumbling wave and then crashed against the rocks with such force that the whole thing burst apart. Okay, as I said, you've now got some questions to have a really good think about and try and answer yourself. After your literacy, have your lunch. Take a good long time for lunch and make sure that after lunch you use the time creatively. You could do Lego, you could do drawing, and there's a suggestion for a drawing activity on your sheet in the art section. You could do baking or coding, okay? From 1 to 1:30, do some reading and or some reading eggs and check your spellings, okay? I gave you lots of spellings with your homework. You've got a word mat, use it, find the ones that you don't know and use the strategies we've discussed for helping yourself to remember those spellings. The main part of your afternoon will be science, and I want you to start by seeing how much of the electricity unit you can remember. I've got some mixed questions for you, and I think they're quite fun to do actually. So see how you get on with those. And then after that, there's a link to a video to look at what happens if you freeze different types of liquid. And I want you to do some freezing different liquids and get really imaginative about which liquids you could freeze. See what happens, see if you can explain what's happened. Okay, do take videos and tweet them. Okay, I've included the link to our Twitter account. It's on there in the science section and also in the music section. Okay, and you finish the day with a clarinet practice. I've given you a link to learning a tune, and when you get good at it, why don't you video yourself and tweet that as well? That will be lovely. Anyway, I look forward to speaking to you tomorrow. Bye for now.